Hello and welcome to Data Vlog. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I will show you how to create custom menu tabs and groups in Microsoft Excel ribbon. Before I proceed with this tutorial, it's my humble request, kindly subscribe to my channel to keep supporting me. When we open any Excel file or Excel workbook, on top we have this ribbon where we have different menu tabs. Under each menu tab we have different menu groups like font, alignment, number, etc. Under each menu group, we have different menu items. These are all different features in Excel. Now we know Excel has tons of features, but we won't be using all of these features all the time. There will be few features that we will be using most frequently. So why don't we create a custom menu tab and groups where we can keep all of these frequently accessed features in Microsoft Excel? Before actually creating this custom menu tab and groups, take a pen and paper or a notebook and list down the most frequently accessed features in Excel by you. For me, under the Home menu tab, I will be using the Page Special option, Font Group, Alignment Group, Number Formats, Conditional Formatting, Auto Sum feature. If I go to Insert, most of the times I access Pivot Table and Charts. And if I go to review, most of the times I use product sheet and product workbook. Formulas, I don't use anything from here because I recall all the formulas from my memory. For now, I'm not using any of these features in this data menu tab. In the page layout, I'm not using any of these features from this page layout also because most of the times when I use this arrange options, I will be using the right click and I will be selecting various options available under that. So now let's begin creating a custom menu tab and groups. To create a custom tab and groups in Microsoft Excel, you have to go to File, click on More, click on Options, click on Customize Ribbon, and it opens the screen where you can customize the ribbon. Here, as you can see, there are two blocks here. In the left side, you can see all the different menu items in Microsoft Excel, and in the right side, you can see all the main tabs available in Excel. You can recall all these, right? Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, all this we have already seen just now. To create a custom new tab, you can click on New tab. It has created a new tab and a new group. You can rename it by right clicking and click on rename. I'm renaming it as data vlog. Under this tab, we have this default group called new group. We can rename this, but before that, let us go to this drop down where we can choose list of the comments that we want under this new tab. I'm clicking on main tabs so that you can see all the main tabs in Excel. Let us begin with home. Under home, as I said under clipboard, I will be using paste options. I'm selecting new group, click on paste and click on add. I'm also adding format painter, select format painter and click on add. I'm expanding font. I want font size, borders, fill color and font color. I'm right clicking on this new group and renaming it. I'm going to rename it as font 2. So far we have created a new tab called data vlog. Under that we have created a new group called font 2 and we have added some frequently used font features. I'm selecting this one. I'm creating a new group here. Select this new group and I use all of the options on number format. When you select this entire menu group and click on add, it adds the group as a separate group under this new tab. So you can only add individual menu items under the new group. When you add any entire group, it adds that group as it is without changing anything. When you expand this menu group, you will see all of these different menu items here. Under this new group, let us add few more font related items. I can add align top, align middle, align bottom, align left, center, right, merge and center, wrap text, and rename this group as alignment 2. So far we have created a new tab. We have added 3 groups: font 2, alignment 2, and number formats. I'm closing home section. Let us expand the insert. Under the insert, pivot tables is most frequently accessed one that I am going to add. I will be using table range most of the times. That's why I'm going to add only this new one. Before that, I will be creating a new group. Let us rename it as insert 2. Let us add table range pivot table. You can add recommend charts or all of these different charts available, but these will be added as different menu groups. So now we have this new tab and different menu groups. You can adjust the alignment or the placement by simply holding it and dragging up and down. So I will be dragging insert just after the number, and you can also align this new tab. So I'm gonna make it just before the home tab. Now click on OK. Tada! We now have this new custom menu tab. When you click on this one, you can see all the different menu groups like font to, alignment to, number and insert to, and all the different menu items that I have added to these various groups. So now you don't need to go to different menu tabs for accessing these features. You can access all of these frequently used features from this newly created tab and groups. Let us see the functionality like hi, hello, 1, 2. Let us select this one, and you can change the font to Calibri Light. You can increase the font size to 14. You can select all borders. You can create fill color. You will have this font color. You can align the middle alignment. You can change the formattings like number formats. You can create a pivot table from here. Let us go back to our custom menu tab and groups and see whether we can edit and delete any of these items. So file, more, options, customize ribbon or data log. If you right click here, you can see if you want to hide this tab, just click on this hide tab, and when you click on OK, it hides from the ribbon. Now let's go back again and click on more, options, customize ribbon. Check this one, right click. You can rename it, or you can delete it, or you can create a new tab or a new group under this new tab. Expand this tab, and when you right click on this group, you can see similar options like you can hide these command labels, or you can rename the group, remove the group, create a new group or new tab. Move up or down, we have already seen it. You can just hold the left click and drag up and down for alignment or placement as per your wish. You can see similar options here like rename, new group and new tab, and there are reset options. When you click on reset all customizations, it will delete all the newly created tabs and groups. Also, you can export this customization file and pass it to your friend so that he or she can import it and create a custom tab and groups like this. This way, we can add custom tab and groups to Excel ribbon. I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial on how to create custom tabs and groups in Microsoft Excel. Please do subscribe to Datavlog for more Excel tutorials. I will catch you in another Excel tutorial. Thank you.